Tony. I'm 6 years old. Today I am in my mom's room and I got to read a book named Tornado. You can see this picture here. Yeah, this is a tornado.
Okay, read.
Read it a straight line. Chapter 1. What is a tornado? What twists and twirls and tear through the air? A tornado. Let's learn all about them. The shape of a tornado is called a funnel. A thunderstorm can make the wind spin around and around. Something those whirling wind turn into a tornado. A tornado is huge. It looks like an elephant trunk. Facts. Tornadoes are also called twister and whirlwinds. Tornadoes spin super fast. Look out! Anything a tornado touches can be blown apart by the strong wind. This picture shows a tornado twisting through axis. Tornado can be really loud. Some sound like fire train. Rumble. Chapter 2. Tornado type. This picture shows a tornado in the country. Tornado can happen anywhere. Some whirl through the country. Some push through town and city. Facts. There are deuce level on Mars too. This picture shows a deuce level. Some tornadoes happen in the desert. These dry tornadoes are called dust devils. This picture shows a water spout. Tornadoes can even happen over water. They are called water spouts. A water spout can pick up a fish and drop it many miles away. Wagon tornado, rope tornado. Yeah, you see this rope tornado look like an arm from the cloud, right? And this one look like a giant swirling thing, a black hole. It look like a black hole. Yeah, but not. Okay. Tornadoes come in different shape and size. Flat ones are called wagon tornado. Skinny ones are called rope tornado. Yeah, rope tornado are more dangerous and more stronger than tornado. Chapter 3. Storm warning. This home was hit by a tornado. Tornadoes are really dangerous. They can knock down trees and power lines. They can smash houses. Facts. About 1 billion tornadoes hit America each year. Special scientists look out for tornadoes. When they think one is coming, they warn everyone. Facts. If a tornado is coming, go to a room below ground or without rainbow. Where should you stay during a tornado? Window. Where should you stay during a window? Storm clamor. Basement and room without window are the safest spot. Facts. Some tornadoes last only a few seconds. Rumble, rumble, tornado a powerful storm. The good news is that most of them last less than 10 minutes. Then the loud roaring wind are all gone. And this is the end of the story. But don't forget the question. Let's read the question and answer it, okay? Can you describe a tornado shape? Yeah, I can describe it. A thin one, a big one, a flat one, a thick one. Yeah. Okay, a skinny one, a not skinny one. Okay. Can you name 2 kinds of tornado? Water spout, rope tornado. Yeah. Okay. Can you share 3 more facts about tornado? More, not in this book. More. I know one of the tornado can make a raining fish, like the caterfish, the water spout. The water spout scatter fish, and then when it disappears, it rain fish down. Okay, and the swallowing tornado is when it swallow all of the thing is rain blood. Yeah. Okay, and goodbye everyone. This is the end of the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.